Hello, thanks for stopping by and checking out the video. This is Jim with Missulu.com. In this particular video, all I'm going to show you is we created a new game. We have 2 or 3 on here. This one is real popular. It's a Blackjack or 21 game. If you don't gamble, it'll be a eye opener. If you do, well, you'll recognize this. So, first thing is when we first load this up, you see a slight animation here that stops, and that way it doesn't drag down your speed or your timing or anything. Click on this. You're going to go to the page, which is it's in the folder I out, which is where all our games are. The first thing it does, it's going to load all the cards, preload them. And what this is in case you have a slow internet connection. Once it's fed through all the cards, then it opens up the screen. You can touch things in here. Otherwise, while it's loading that, you can't do that at all. Like right now, I'm clicking, it's not doing anything. That's because this is all blacked out. Please ignore the advertising here. That's not important at this stage. So now it's where you want to start playing the game. Here I'm going to do the preload it. Hang on, I'm going to actually sign in and. Alright, now I'm signed in as John Doe. This is the one of the free user accounts here. This John Doe or Jane Doe. And they're just up there so you can test out the website. There's absolutely nothing binding. But as you can see, I've been playing it for a few minutes and I got $10,000 under the John Doe account. So feel free to sign in and wreck that if you'd like. As a reminder, there's no money ventured, won, or lost at Missulu.com. These are all just for fun, and it beats the heck out of losing your mortgage and having your life destroyed. So, without going any further, let's do a couple things. One, you're here and it's already loaded, so you can turn the sound off or on. You'll find out why. Then we're gonna set just the amount right here. We're gonna hit the play, and you're just gonna play some music in the background. And as you can see, it's not terrible or anything, but after about 10,501 choices or runs, it gets irritating. So let me show you what just happened. We click new game. The first choice we have is to draw or stay. Draw means we got to increase the numbers here. Well, we did. So with 21, it's 6, 5, and these are all 10s, and they add up. So the dealers up here, you don't interact with that. It does it on its own. You got 10, 20, 30. Puts you over the mark, and your guy of course came in at 21, so nothing's gonna beat him anyways. I also turned off the sound here, and as you can see, we can play without that sound. If you'd rather not, that's fine, totally understandable. We're at 18. Let's hit stay, and we lost. That's terrible. Now while those things are up, you can't hit any buttons until it's done with the you won or you lost animations. So let's see here, let's do it again. Turn the sound back on, by the way. We're going to stay. And we did win in that case. And that gives us 11,501. Once again, that's not real money. You won't get a dime. Don't even try it. So I know what you're thinking. Don't go there. So we'll do it one more time. And this only puts us at 16, but we're going to stay. And we lost, of course. They came up with 17. So one of the reasons I did this, it's a JavaScript game. And it allows you to explore JavaScript, and especially gaming within JavaScript. I'm not a programmer, but you're welcome to use the code that's behind all this. You're welcome to do really anything you want. You can modify it slightly in your own website if you'd like to. That's fine. I have no problem with that. You are free to do that. You will have to come up with your own images, and it can be an issue if you have a slower internet, because sometimes the images just do not want to load. Let me give you an example here. These cards that are up here are the back side of the card, so to speak. This is just an image that takes its place. So if it doesn't load, you're going to have a bunch of the back sides of the card showing, and nothing else is going to work quite right. Now, since I've updated this and made it preload everything, it seems to have cured the problem, but no promises. So, once again, this was a 15, a 7, and an 8. And you got a 5, 15, 19. So, but pretty straightforward. Thanks for checking out the video. If you have any problems or questions, drop me a comment below or send me an email. That's fine. You can do that here on Missulu. There are several places to do it. Contact right here on the first page. And you can hit that up, fill this out, and it comes straight to me. So I'll hear from you, and if you give me your email address, I'll be happy to send it back to you. And I appreciate it. You have a great day now. Thanks.